Hello everyone, today is the 4th October 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balarav and today's our video topic is JPA. JPA is JPA is a interface that is the structure or functionality of methods to the connectivity of server and database with the server and JDBC. Okay, then uh, in JPA is the interface. JPA there are some methods. Some methods we are discussed. The first method is a save method. Save method are used to the update and create and update the row and create and update the row. And next is a delete method. Delete method are used to the delete row in the table. And third method is a find. Find method is used to the find the row or find the ID and give the information or return the information of the this ID. This is a sub method extra. Okay, then we discuss the why JPA are introduced the Java. Why JPA introduced the Java? Because the firstly previously and the some tools like Hibernate, uh, I Link, Hibernate, Ibex, just type of tool are available, and that tool there are own functionality or structure to convert the tabular object form to tabular form. Uh, that time uh, that time Java realized there is a there is a there is a drawback, because the if you want to change the tools or if you want to tilt tools uh, because the functionality or efficiency or features, that's why you that's why the this is a very hectic, because the all program or all logic are we have to change. That problem are overcome through the JPA. That's why the Java introduced the JPA. Java says the this is the structure of this is my structure or this is my functionality, and all the tools are implementing to the JPA. That's why the if you want to the tool if you want to the change the tool, this is a very easy. That's why the all implement the JPA, and that's why the Java introduced the JPA. JPA is firstly in 2006 the JPR introduced the Java. There is a 1.0 version, and today we use the 2.2 version. This is the functionality increase, and flexibility and efficiency is the increase. That's let's discuss the normal flow of the program or server. If the user hit the method hit the method update or save method, that time the we can pass the ID, and database database or JDB are doesn't understand the object doesn't understand the object. That's why the tools of Hibernate, the tool Hibernate are is a functionality of ORM. ORM is a object relational database. ORM convert the object to the tabular form, and then Hibernate are transfer the ob- tabular form data to the uh, JDBC and JDBC fire the query and update or create the row, delete the row. If you convert the if you hit the query to the through the user to save, then the hit the method of save using the interface that time the interface implemented the JPA interface implement the Hibernate, and Hibernate function of ORM convert the object to the tabular form, and tabular form are uh, this data transfer to the JDBC, and JDBC hit the query. That time the then update the um, update or add the row in database. This is all about the interface. Thank you.